This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Ocean City Tourism.
Some places don't just stand the test of time, they evolve with it, which is why we're in Ocean City, where an icon has been reimagined for a new era. We're at Fenwick Inn, where the view from the top is just as unforgettable as the stay itself.
We're at Vista Rooftop, where the views are just as memorable as what's on the menu. It's a space designed for people to slow down, take it all in, and really enjoy where they are.
Cocktails are important to enhance an experience because everybody likes to drink. When you're at a hotel, especially with a hotel that has a bar and restaurant, get a little buzz and then go back to your room, which I think is nice. Don't have to drive or anything like that.
And when it comes to first impressions, the bar is often where people start. So if you're visiting for the first time, there are a few drinks that really set the tone for what Vista is all about.
Here, we have two cocktails that I think are like award-winning cocktails. Our smoked old fashioned being probably the best one that we have, the best around town. And then we have the Figs and Roses. The Figs and Roses is a cocktail that we've won competitions with. You know, it's fresh, it's good. Every time you drink it, it's gonna taste the same, the consistency and all that.
That attention to detail starts long before the drink ever reaches the glass. Behind the bar, seasonal ingredients and local sourcing drive the entire cocktail program.
The cocktails here, they're not your typical cocktails. They're made with infusions, fresh herbs, different kind of, like I said, they infuse herbs, fruit, different juices. It's really been neat to see it, the smoked whiskeys, the dried fruit.
But Vista Rooftop is just one piece of the experience. Downstairs, Fenwick Inn has built a space that works for families, couples, and even four-legged guests.
One, we have an event center. So we do a lot of weddings, a lot of like conferences and all that. But we're not just a business center. We're not just a wedding venue. A lot of families come here in the during the regular season and they can be downstairs in the splash pad, jumping around in the pool till 10 o'clock at night. Let the kids go. You come up here, listen to music, have a drink, come back downstairs, check on them by the time you finish your next drink. We also are pet friendly, so we have the whole second floor is pet friendly, and it's, the hotels, we're lucky enough to have that pet friendly space.
And that family first approach extends to the way the business is run, with a focus on warmth, comfort, and a welcome that feels genuine.
We're not just a corporate hotel. We're not just a corporate restaurant. We're a family-owned business.
Upstairs at Vista, the food matches the atmosphere. Thoughtful, creative, and designed to complement the view.
We have like a 360 panoramic view of the ocean and the bay, which is a real treat because there's not another place like that around here. And we have the outdoor seating, which is nice. So in the summer, we usually cut that off around the end of September, but be on the lookout. Hopefully by next year, we'll have some heaters out there, so it'll be nice. You can enjoy it year round.
And the kitchen works hand in hand with the bar, making sure everything on the table feels connected.
We all sat down and just kind of culminated on it. We took from our past experiences and we just kind of made like a melting pot of different things. We really wanted to kind of take our spin of the Eastern Shore and kind of turn it into what we thought we do well.
Dining here isn't meant to be rushed. It's the kind of place where you settle in, try a few things, and let the night unfold.
I wouldn't come here and be in a hurry. Come here to enjoy it. I mean, really set it in. Enjoy a cocktail with the bread. Enjoy a cocktail with your salad. And really what you'd like to try, our seafood risotto, which I'll show you later, is one of our top sellers, and same as our New York strip. I mean, if you want, we have multiple shareables that you can pass around the table. Like I said, you really have to give us a couple tries to, really get the full experience.
It's not just about what's on the menu, it's about when to come.
Yeah, we do happy hour every day, daily, between 3 and 6. And we have a special cocktail menu and also a special happy hour food menu. It's a little bit different than our regular menu. We'll say it's more casual, for that. And we have entertainment between 4 and 7. This is Monday through Thursday. And we have another set of entertainment that comes in between 8 and 11 on Friday and Saturdays.
And part of what makes Vista so special is how different it can feel, depending on the time of day.
It's daytime now, but when you come in at night, it's very set, very, casual, but it also has an upbeat feel to it. So, you know, once you're done dinner, you can go to either one of our south bars or north bar, experience the entertainment that we have, and just really take it all in. And I think, you know, every time you come here and dine here, you get a different experience, but you get the consistency of the same building and the same ambiance, we'll say.
For those looking to drop by earlier in the day, there's plenty going on before dinner even starts.
To really take it all in, it would be to, you know, go outside and experience the view. Go over here and check our entertainment out. We have a lounge area, you know, if you just want to hang out and have cocktails before dinner or even after dinner, you know, so there's plenty to do up here. And like I said, the experience is more of the, like I said, the vibe. And it's really, it's more of a city vibe with a beach setting.
And coming soon, they're adding something new that brings a classic comfort feel with a Vista twist.
Starting in February, we'll be doing prime rib night here at Vista. So we slow roast our prime rib, then we finish it on the grill. So you get a smoky flavor, you get the traditional roasted flavor, and this comes with your choice of fried shrimp, grilled shrimp, our goat cheese and chive mashed potatoes, and our house veggie, which is, you know, seasonal, depending on what we can get from our purveyors this time.
As for finding your way here, the view makes it easy.
We're located on 138th Street. We're above the Fenwick Inn Hotel. We're on the 8th floor. So you can do everything you want in the comfort of five miles.
CoastLife, I figured while I'm here, I might as well get the full dining experience. So obviously you could see they brought out a few dishes for me to try, but I'm gonna cut into the steak first. You could see it comes with a side of asparagus and mashed potatoes, which they said is made with goat cheese and chive. So I'm excited to try this one. This is amazing. The steak is very flavorful and bold. So the food is amazing, the drinks are good, the views are absolutely stunning, CoastLife. This is definitely a must-try experience to stop by Fenwick Inn in Ocean City, but it's also a must-try experience more CoastLife, so stick around.